This is a project that I designed and built. It's a clock that scrolls through the digits mechanically using 3 motors. The time is always synchronized over Wi-Fi. I'll give a quick overview of how it works. So this is the power bridge. A single power source comes in and all the wires distribute the power across the different components. In the center is a Raspberry Pi. This synchronizes the time and controls all the motors. These 3 chips here are the controllers for the stepper motors. There's 3 stepper motors here, underneath there, and over on the left. There's 3D printed parts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different rollers. This is where the numbers roll into. There's house address, like mailbox stickers for the numbers. And I stuck those onto 3 black satin ribbons. So the 2 rollers are synchronized together using this timing belt and 2 pulleys on either side. Underneath the rollers, there's an IR sensor. So that sensor is how I align and calibrate the position of the numbers. So when the roller fully unrolls, the IR sensor can detect the difference between the ribbon and the 3D printed plastic roller underneath. So the ribbon is reflective enough so that the IR sensor bounces off the ribbon and it could detect it that way. But then the black plastic 3D printed roller underneath, it absorbs the IR and it doesn't reflect as much. And so the IR sensor can detect the difference between the 2. So like when the end of the ribbon comes, it can detect that position and it will always be able to align the numbers that way.